What if I told you that the reason your manifestations are taking so long is not because the universe is slow, but because you are unknowingly slowing it down yourself? Imagine if you could unlock a hidden switch inside your mind that makes things flow 10 times faster into your reality. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll learn exactly how to do that. Most people think manifestation is only about thinking positively and repeating affirmations all day long. But manifestation is not about how many times you repeat a sentence. It's about how much of it you believe, how deeply you feel it, and how clearly you align with it. This is the first shift you need to make if you want things to happen faster. Think about it. When you order food at a restaurant, you don't sit there worrying if the chef knows how to cook. You place the order once, you trust it, and you relax until it arrives. But with manifestation, people order from the universe and then immediately cancel it by doubting, overthinking, or constantly checking if it's working. That's why things slow down. The universe mirrors your state of being, not your begging. So if you want to manifest 10x faster, the first key is certainty. Certainty speeds things up because it removes resistance. When you're certain, you don't keep questioning when or how, you just know it's coming. Your inner calmness becomes the proof that it's already yours. Now, here's something powerful most people don't realize. Your emotions are the fuel of manifestation. Thoughts alone are like an empty car. You can have the car, but it won't move without fuel. Your emotions give those thoughts energy. When you feel excited, grateful, or deeply fulfilled by the thing you want before it arrives, you create a magnetic pull. And the stronger the emotion, the faster the pull. But here's the catch: if your emotions are based in fear, doubt, or worry, you're still manifesting, but you're manifesting delays and struggles. So the question is not, am I manifesting? But, what frequency am I manifesting from? If you want things faster, you must deliberately tune yourself into the frequency of already having it. Let's make this practical. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your desire is already here. Don't think about the process, skip straight to the result. If it's money, see yourself holding it, using it, feeling free with it. If it's love, imagine the warmth of that relationship. If it's success, feel the joy of already being there. Now amplify that feeling until your body believes it's real. This is not daydreaming, this is inner creation. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between imagination and reality. When you feed it the experience, it accepts it as true and starts rearranging your outer world to match. The next step to speed things up is detachment. This is where many people get stuck. They visualize, they affirm, but then they obsess over the outcome. Obsession sends a signal of lack, and lack delays everything. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care, it means you trust so much that you don't need to keep checking. Just like the food order at the restaurant, you place it, then you allow. A powerful way to practice detachment is through gratitude. Gratitude instantly shifts your energy into receiving mode. When you are grateful for what you already have, you're telling the universe, I trust you, I'm already blessed, and I'm ready for more. Gratitude collapses the waiting time because it creates alignment. Now let's talk about one of the biggest accelerators of manifestation, identity. Your manifestation cannot move faster than the identity you hold. If you still see yourself as broke, unworthy, unlucky, or not good enough, no matter how much you visualize, you'll slow things down. Why? Because your identity is the thermostat. It always pulls your life back to match who you believe you are. So if you want to manifest 10x faster, upgrade your identity first. Ask yourself, who do I need to become for this desire to be natural for me? If you want to manifest wealth, step into the identity of someone who feels abundant, confident, and worthy of money. If you want love, become the kind of person who feels lovable and complete. The moment you shift your self-image, your external world races to catch up with that version of you. Another secret to speed is focus. Where your attention goes, energy flows. The more scattered your attention, the slower things manifest. Think of it like a magnifying glass focusing sunlight. When scattered, it's just warm, but when focused, it becomes powerful enough to ignite fire. To manifest faster, focus on one clear desire at a time. Put your full energy into it until it feels real, instead of trying to manifest 10 things at once and spreading yourself thin. Here's something even deeper. Time itself is an illusion in manifestation. The universe does not operate on the clock we humans created. The only reason something feels far away is because you believe it is. When you shift your belief into, "I already have it now," your experience of time collapses, and your desire arrives faster. This is why some people manifest instantly. It's not luck, it's alignment. But let's ground this into action. To manifest 10x faster, here are the daily practices you can use. Spend a few minutes every morning imagining your desire as already done and feel it deeply. Throughout the day, carry the energy of certainty. Walk, talk, and act as if you already have it. Release doubts by replacing them with gratitude statements. Whenever you feel lack, pause and list 3 things you're grateful for right now. Keep your attention focused on the end result, not the process. Don't worry about how it will happen. Step into your new identity by making small decisions every day that align with the version of you who already has your desire. Step into your new identity by making small decisions every day that align with the version of you who already has your desire. Think of it like wearing new shoes. At first they might feel unfamiliar, but the more you walk in them, the more natural they become. The same goes for identity. At first it feels like pretending, but soon it becomes your new normal. Here's an example. If you're manifesting financial freedom, ask yourself, what choices would a financially free person make today? Maybe that means respecting your money, saving a little, or even just walking with confidence instead of feeling insecure about bills. If you're manifesting love, ask yourself, how would someone who is already loved and cherished treat themselves? Maybe that means speaking kindly to yourself, dressing in a way that makes you feel good, or setting healthy boundaries. These micro-decisions accumulate and form the new version of you, the one who naturally attracts your desires faster. Now, another powerful way to accelerate manifestation is something people often overlook: environment. Your environment either supports your desires or slows them down. If your surroundings constantly remind you of lack, limitation, or negativity, your subconscious absorbs that energy. But when you intentionally shape your environment, whether by decluttering your space, surrounding yourself with people who inspire you, or even changing the music and content you consume, you create a field that speeds things up. The universe doesn't just respond to your inner state, it responds to the energy you live in daily. And here's something fascinating: your words carry power. Every sentence you speak is a declaration to the universe. Many people unknowingly delay their manifestations by casually saying things like, "I'm broke, nothing works out for me," or "good things take too long." These words are like commands. If you want to manifest faster, become intentional with your language. Speak as though what you desire is already part of your reality. Replace, "I hope it happens," with, "I know it's happening." Replace, "It's taking forever," with, "It's unfolding perfectly right now." The moment your words align with your vision, your reality speeds up to match. Another key is momentum. Imagine pushing a heavy car. At first, it takes effort, but once it starts rolling, it picks up speed. Manifestation works the same way. The more consistent you are with your practices, visualizing, affirming, feeling, and acting, the more momentum builds. Suddenly, things start moving faster with less effort, almost like the universe is carrying you forward. That's why consistency is non-negotiable if you want 10x speed. Now let's talk about one of the most underestimated tools in manifestation: imagination before sleep. Your subconscious is most open in those drowsy minutes right before drifting off. If you feed your mind with worry or fear in that moment, it lingers all night. But if you intentionally imagine your desire fulfilled as you fall asleep, you plant the seed deeply into your subconscious. This is where Neville Goddard's famous state akin to sleep technique comes in. He taught that if you imagine your wish fulfilled while drifting into sleep, your subconscious accepts it as fact, and your reality reshapes to match, often much faster than through daytime practice. Here's a little challenge for you: tonight, before bed, instead of scrolling on your phone or thinking about tomorrow's problems, close your eyes and replay a short scene where your desire is already done. Keep it simple. If it's wealth, imagine someone congratulating you. If it's love, imagine holding hands with your partner. If it's success, imagine celebrating. Replay it until you drift off. Do this for just a week and notice how fast things begin to shift. Also, never underestimate the power of letting go of resistance. Sometimes, the reason things are slow is because deep down, you're holding on to old beliefs that contradict your desire. Beliefs like, I don't deserve this, or things always take too long for me. To manifest faster, you must reprogram these hidden beliefs. One powerful way is through affirmations, not as mindless repetition, but as emotional reconditioning. When you affirm with feeling, when you actually feel the truth of the words, you rewire your subconscious. But here's the real magic. When you combine belief, emotion, and action, you step into alignment. That alignment is like turning on a magnet that pulls your desires toward you effortlessly. Most people try to manifest with only one piece of the puzzle, maybe just affirmations or just visualization. But speed comes when all three align together: what you think, what you feel, and what you do. Remember, manifestation is not about chasing what you want, it's about becoming the version of you who naturally attracts it. When your inner world shifts, your outer world has no choice but to reflect it back. And when that alignment locks in, the waiting time shrinks dramatically.